Hello there, my name is Laura and I am the brand new hygienist here at the dental practice. Today I shall be cleaning your teeth, making sure that they feel and look nice, fresh and clean, okay? Also be checking that everything's how it should be in the mouth, okay? Now I understand from reading your notes that you are quite a nervous patient. Okay, well that's completely fine. I just want you to know that if at any time you feel anxious, nervous, that you can't go on, all we have to do is either say the word stop or just raise your hand like that and I'll stop, okay? So you've experienced dental phobia for quite a while, yeah? Yeah, that is quite a long while. Okay, and can I ask what brought it on, or I mean, did you have a bad experience, or yeah, and that was when you were a child, yeah? Okay, well, obviously, you know, being at the dentist is never a great fun experience, but if I can make you at least, you know, a bit less nervous, then, you know, that would be great, obviously, and in time that phobia will just ease away, ease away, ease away, and then disappear. Okay, so I want you to know that today I will not be hurting you in any way, okay, and I will be going through everything which I'll be putting into your mouth. I think a lot of people, when they have a dental phobia, they get scared because they don't know what is going in their mouths. You know, it's this obvious thing, you know, and you lose that kind of control, and I think that kind of all builds up in your mind. So we're going to go through everything that I'm going to use today, bit by bit, okay, why I'm using it, what it is, what it looks like, just to get you a bit more familiar with the different tools, okay? So, are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, well, you're doing really well, you're here, and I'm really proud of you, okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is this. This is my dental mirror. Now, all it is literally is a stick with a mirror on the end, okay? And obviously the way it is, it curves around at the bottom there, so I can put it in your mouth and then obviously see up where I'm looking into, okay? So it won't cause any pain, it's literally just a mirror, okay? Okay, so if you can open your mouth nice and wide for me. You've experienced some gum problems recently, yeah? Okay. Bleeding as well? Yeah, it said on your notes that you've been experiencing some problems, but I didn't know if that was soreness or just soreness or bleeding or... Okay. And is that a particular area of the mouth or is it kind of all round? Okay, so it's mainly over this side. Okay. Are you taking anything for the soreness or the bleeding? Okay. So you've just been gargling with salt water. Well, that's a great start because salt water can really help the mouth, gets rid of any sort of manky, rubbishy, horrible things that are in the mouth. However, it's not like as strong as you could possibly need. So, as I say, I'll have a look inside and then we'll have a chat about how we can help you with the whole bleeding and sore gums thing, okay? Okay. Just going to lean in a bit closer to you if that's cool, just so I can have a good look. If you keep your mouth open nice and wide, there you go, that's it, that's excellent. Okay. definitely, yeah, you can see where it's that bit extra sore over there. Okay. What toothbrush are you using at the moment? Okay, and is that a medium or a hard bristle brush? Yeah. Okay, that for me would be where you're probably kind of brushing too hard. We'll come to the different brushes in a moment. But what I'm going to suggest definitely, instead of just the salt water, I would suggest using this. Okay, and this is Corsadel. Okay, and this is absolutely fantastic. This is the original flavour, but it is done in various flavours. But basically, it treats bleeding gums, irritated gums, and mouth ulcers. Okay, and it's so good. It really does help. All you do, take the lid off, and obviously pour it in, but just pour 15 mils in. Okay, there's a little measure inside the lid. Okay, and then you literally gargle it around in your mouth for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then obviously spit it out into the sink. Okay, it very quick, fast, effective solution to bleeding gum problems. Okay, and as I say, we do different flavours of it, so this is the original flavour. Yeah. Oh, you have used this before? Quite a few years ago, yeah? Okay, well, I really would suggest, you know, it's absolutely fantastic. So, yeah. Okay, well, we'll get you that sorted out. I'll just pop that over there. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is the brushing. You said you're using a bit of a hard bristled brush. Now, where your gums are getting quite sore, do you brush quite kind of fierce, or... Yeah, that is a common problem. A lot of people do brush, you know, quite quickly, and it's like in the morning, hurrying up for work, etc. And it can really harm the gums. It can make them really sore. So what I'm going to suggest you try is one of these. I'll wash your teeth in a moment with them, just so it gives you a nice feel of what it feels like. But this is a soft bristled brush, and it's got a really nice easy grip handle as well. So yeah, literally all you would do is brush it as normal, but whereas the bristles are a lot softer, they, you know, won't hurt the gums, won't irritate what's already irritated, you know, as such. So what I'll do, I'll just pop some toothpaste on here, and we'll just do a nice little clean. Okay, yeah, okay. So let me put some toothpaste there. Okay, so if you want to open your mouth, that's it, brilliant. So nice circular motions, and you see I'm not going too fast, there's no rush. Okay, so nice circular motions, and then also you can just brush up and down. Okay. Now how does that feel? Yeah, a lot softer. This is the thing, if the gums are sore, you know, and you're really using a hard bristled brush on it, it's just going to make it so much worse. So, you know, if you just use this nice soft brush, it will really help you. And this isn't, you know, got to be used all the time. It's literally used while this is sort of a problem with the gums, and then you can go back to the normal brush. However, I would probably recommend that you would actually change to a medium bristled. I think that one might be a bit tough on you. I think you're definitely better with a medium bristled brush once everything's back to normal. How's that feeling? You're just nodding there, sorry. I always ask patients, and they obviously got loads of toothpaste, they can't talk. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a glass here if you want to have a little sip of the water. And there you go. And just spit it out there. That's it. Okay, don't be embarrassed. I see this all the time. Okay, you want another? Okay. And spit it out. Okay, that's excellent. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you something. And this is a tongue brush. Okay? How are you feeling? Is it all nice and fresh? Very minty. That is the brand new Colgate toothpaste. So if you're interested in that, we do sell that here as well at the practice. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is a tongue brush. Have you ever used or seen a tongue brush before? No? Okay. Well, obviously, you know, when you're doing your teeth, blah blah blah, clean, clean, clean. The thing that sometimes we forget to do is wash our tongue. You know, every day we're eating, we're drinking, and stuff is on our tongue, okay, bacteria, etc. So this handy little thing might look a bit strange because it's so round, but it is, in fact, a tongue brush. And basically, it's very comfortable to hold, and it reaches the back of the tongue where, like, odour-causing bacteria is stored, okay? I'm not being personal here, but do you ever feel like you have bad breath? Or, yeah, when you've had spicier foods? Yeah, I mean, that's a common thing, and it's nothing to be embarrassed about, but these are really, really good. I would definitely recommend investing in one of these tongue brushes. So if you stick your tongue out, I can let you just see what it feels like. It might tickle a little bit if you've never used one before. Okay. It's tickling. Yeah. But it is really, really good, and it's an essential, I think, just for getting rid of any bacteria and any problems with bad breath. Okay, so that is the tongue brush. Yeah, you like that? It is good, isn't it? It's very good. Okay. Right, so the next thing I want to show you is the dental pick. Okay, now a lot of people were scared of these. Yeah, I could see your eyes be like, ooh. These can look a bit scary because obviously they are quite pointy at the ends and quite sharp. Okay, but there's nothing to fear. Literally, all they are dental picks. Basically, they're used for getting rid of any kind of food particles that are kind of trapped in little areas of the teeth. Okay, and you know, they are essential to use. So, you know, if you do come to the dentist and they use one of these, don't let it scare you. Okay, it's literally just scraping out any excess food particles and dirt. Okay, so I mean, I can have a go. You sure? You got to try and be brave. Brilliant. Okay, I'm just going to have a little look because there was a little bit of food I could just see there. So I'll just get my mirror. Okay, it's just in there. So just literally. Is that okay? It's not hurting you or anything? Brilliant. You're doing really well. Excellent. Okay. Right. Okay, so they are, as I say, not as scary as they look. People think they're scary. They're really not. Okay. Ah, brilliant. So that's eased you without nervousness. That's brilliant. I mean, that's what today's about. Obviously, you wanted your teeth nice and clean, but the main thing is really letting you get rid of all that nervous phobia and worrying what things are and what they do, you know. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you are these little things. Okay, so they're pretty much similar, but instead of a pick, they are little toothpicks. Okay, and they've got floss in them. So, you know, as you can see, that is the dental pick, so it's on like the long thing with the little, that bit. This is kind of similar at that end, but you could either use this end like that, it's kind of similar, okay, just to get out the little particles of excess food, or you can use this end, which a lot of people do. And what you do basically, you see you've got a bit of food in between here, in between the teeth. You just get this bit here, hold it by the handle, okay, and basically this here is a little wire and it's got dental floss in it, okay, and you just literally, I won't obviously do it on me, I'll do it on you, but you would just literally pull that end down into the teeth, wiggle it about a bit and pull it up, okay, and that really, you know, these are essential, they're really, really good, especially when, you know, you're out or something, you've just eaten and there's food stuck in your mouth, just use one of these, you know, go to the toilet or something and just quickly do one, you know, and it gets out any food that would be left in your teeth, okay. So if you want to open your mouth, I'm just going to use this on you, okay, it's a little bit, so pushing it right down, that's it, a little wiggle, and then pull it out, okay, I won't, sorry, it's only me and you, so if you can see there's just a little bit of food there that was in between your teeth, so yeah, exactly, sometimes you can kind of just sit there with your nail and just get some food out, but if it's in between the teeth then it won't come out without one of these, so oh, okay, so that, the wax on a strip, yeah, that is good as well, I like the wire stuff, but I think these are better because you've got the little handle with them, you can really, you know, yank it out as such. So yeah, we do loads of these here. We do a box of 30, we do a box of 60. Yeah, okay, well that's cool. We'll come, you know, at the end and have a look around, see what you want to purchase for yourself. I'm really impressed with the way you're, you know, taking this all in and looking to buy things to help you. Your teeth are so important, you know, and general, you know, mouth hygiene is so important, and I'm really proud of you for being here, and you're doing really well, okay. And the last thing I want to show you is our dental stain eraser. Now this is that, so have you seen one of these before? Yeah, okay, basically this helps erase heavy plaque build up and food deposits as well that are in the teeth, okay. So what you've got here is a nice little black eraser, okay, on a stick. So if you see the dentist using these, or obviously myself using one of these, all they're doing is just literally erasing any stains that have been left on your teeth, okay. So I mean, I can try one of these on you because I saw a little bit of staining over that side, yeah, okay. Make sure it's the right area, don't I? Ah, there we are. Okay. Okay. Now how's that feel? It's not hurting or anything. Okay. I think I'm going to do a little bit over here as well. I think I saw. Yep. Excellent. You're doing really, really well. Okay. Well, I can honestly say your teeth are looking brilliant. I mean, you know, yeah, exactly. It's just mainly that gum thing, isn't it, really? I mean, your teeth are looking nice and white. Exactly. Well, this is really going to help you. I really would recommend getting this, yeah. Okay. As I say, Corsadel, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant for any of the gum problem. Obviously, if they're bleeding continues, then obviously come back and either see myself or the dentist, and we'll have a proper, you know, another proper look inside, see what's causing it. But I really do think that will help you. So yeah. Ah, thank you very much. No, look, you're lovely, and I'm honestly, as I say, so proud of you for coming in today, facing your fears, and hopefully the next time you come here to the practice you won't feel as nervous. No? Oh, that's good. I'm really pleased to hear that. Thank you. Okay, well, if you come with me, we'll go out to the reception and we'll just have a look at some of the things you can purchase to take home with you. Okay? Brilliant. Come on then.